So we created a circle class and we created one circle object from it in the previous video, and so if we run this, our circle object will be generated and bounce around, which is cool, but let's make a bunch of circles and have them all on screen at the same time. Alright, so instead of just creating the one circle, I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to delete this. And we're going to create an array of circle objects. So to create an array, you have to specify the type. Say open and close braces, and I'm going to name it circles equals new circle array, and you say array by writing brackets. And let's just start by having 5 circles bounce around. So now to initialize these things and to update them and display them, we have to use loops now. So for, let's say, a circle for int I equals 0, I is less than circles.length, I plus plus, let's say circles at index I equals new circle. Alright, so that creates those objects. Well, now let's update them and then display them. I'm going to do this with a single loop for int I equals 0. I is less than circles dot length. You get very used to writing this. I plus plus. And here I'm going to use braces because I'm going to have 2 lines of code inside this. So, first of all, circles at I dot update. And then circles at I dot display. And so now, because we have this is a circle object. It's just this is its address in the computer's memory, but it is an object of this type, so we can use that object's methods in the same way. This is its name, basically. Circles at 0, at 1, at 2, at 3, at 4. So we can just call a method on that circle object and have it do its thing. So now when we run our code, 5 circles will be bouncing around. Pretty neat. Okay. Well, the power of a computer is to be able to replicate these things over and over and over again. So, 50. Cool. 500. And it obviously is going to start bogging down, because this is not the most efficient way to write a program. But it's pretty sweet. And we can make this quite a bit bigger so you can really see them moving around. And maybe I just want to do 100 so that it's cool but not not stuttery. And I'll scooch the window over when it comes up so you can see all of those circle objects boinging around all over the screen. So, what would have taken us many, many, many lines of code without a class, now I literally changed one number and wrote a couple simple loops, and all of a sudden we have much more going on in our program than we otherwise could have without the idea of classes. What if we, so that's this video. I might add another video after that.